Yeah, progress report. We're having progress report. Having the ceiling scraped, puttied, and repainting it. Man, my lips are not working well today. There's some problem areas here, mostly due to bad paint job. And these guys have done a pretty good job covering up and scraping her all down, getting it ready for a full repaint, sand and repaint. This whole job was quoted out at 13,000 pesos. What's that, 260 bucks? 13,000? Something like that. So a little bit of a mess right now, but coming along, and they covered mostly everything up. So hopefully it's not too big a mess when we're done. But right now, ick.